Hello guys, today I'm filming another video and it's like study with me, and right now I'm making my lunch. I'm making spring rolls. This is the setup: cucumbers, mushrooms, carrots, salad, cilantro, how do you call this, mint. These are fried onions, shrimp. No. And hot water. This is a big one, so shrimp, mint, special sauce, mint.
Je me ferai ce soir.
Merde, j'ai aussi trop longtemps. I'm doing the same one every time, so this is my mom's sauce.
Correct.
Là, c'est bien. So I washed the part where it had sauce on it. So I'm going back to studying now. Right now I'm working on China's economy during the Mao regime. So very interesting, okay? Study vibes. Oof. Come on. So everything is ready. Water, pencil case, notes, computer, everything, music. Concentrate. Today the weather is incredible. Victoria. I actually take regular poses. If not, my brain is not gonna function. Even if it's just 5 minutes or going to the bathroom, it really helps me stay focused when I need to get back to work. Water sponsor me. You got nothing to lose. I'm buying something sweet right now. Chocolate milk. Now that I finished rewriting all my notes I took during the economic class, and now I have to do the society part. So it's currently 8 p.m. I am done studying for the day, and I'm gonna eat something. This is what I'm eating tonight. Coconut. If I'm hungry later, maybe I'll add an apple.
And he would be like, and then like as he would turn, he would you know what, that actually would have been the year to do it because I was in drag at home all the time. Kilos of drugs. And we're bathed in his blood. Ugh, bathed in his blood. About whatever we want because it's our show.
And not yours.
And the rest is drag. Naked. But when you see the good strippers, it's art of this.
It's everything.